Hi there! This video will gently guide you through how to prepare and give your Gonal-F injection at home. Take your time and follow along step by step. Let's start by washing your hands with soap and water. This helps keep everything clean and safe for you. Make sure your table is clean and dry. Having an organized space can make the process easier. Now, let's gather everything you'll need. Gonal-F pen, a new needle, an alcohol swab, a safe disposal container. Once you've got everything ready, we can move on together. Start by checking your Gonal-F pen and looking at the expiry date. If it's expired, please don't use it. Remove the cap from your pen, take a new needle, and peel off the protective seal. Gently attach the needle by screwing the pen onto the outer needle cap. Turn it until it feels secure. No need to over-tighten. Next, slowly turn the dose knob until you reach the dose prescribed for you. Double-check the dose. This is very important. Choose a spot on your lower abdomen, at least 2 fingers away from your belly button. Clean the area gently with an alcohol swab using a circular motion and let it dry for a few seconds. Before you begin, double-check the dose again. This is very important. Alright, now let's do this. Remove the needle cap, then gently pinch the cleaned area. Make sure the dose window is facing up so you can see it. Insert the needle straight into the skin at a 90-degree angle, all the way in. Press the dose knob all the way down to deliver the medication. Hold the pen in place for a slow, steady 5 seconds. This helps ensure the full dose goes in. Now check the dose window. It should show 0. This means the full dose has been given. After 5 seconds, release the dose knob and gently remove the needle. Carefully place the white outer cap back onto the needle. Do not use the small inner cap. It's too tiny and not safe to handle. Turn the needle anti-clockwise to remove it and immediately place it into your safe disposal container. Please remember to only drop the used needle into the container and do not throw the wrappers inside. Bring over the needle container and we will help to dispose into the sharp bin. Recap your Gonal-F pen. Throw the remaining items into the dustbin. Return your Gonal-F pen into the refrigerator. It'll be ready for your next dose when you need it.
Our team is always here to support you throughout your fertility journey. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact us.